Among the Menegale papers at the library, there's a group of letters written by her to her husband during the war and just after. These letters first caught my attention because they're so interesting to read. They're sharp, they're witty, and they're really honest. And they provide an insight into the life of this one woman, but through that we learn a little about the lives of women generally during this period. She talks a little about the war, but they're also full of ordinary news, Christmas, financial matters, her young son, and we're also given a slight glimpse at women's sexual health during this period as she talks about friends asking for contraceptive advice before getting married. What I also love about the letters is how varied they are. So while they're full of domestic news, they're also infused with news of current affairs, her political interests, books that she's read, art that she likes. So in one paragraph she'll talk about political matters maybe, before moving on to talking about the washing and the weather in the next. They're also a real snapshot of a husband-wife relationship and give us some idea about how women must have felt during the war when their husbands are away. But there's also something really timeless about them in that we can still relate to many of the subjects she talks about, such as the sleepless nights after having a baby. Despite being over 70 years old, for me, these letters capture the complexity of being female, that a woman can be a loving wife, a mother, a writer, a political campaigner, or whatever she chooses to be, and can be all of these things all at once.